Hey guys, this morning we're gonna be doing a starting a building design series. This is episode one, and I will be going through the design process. Um, I'm gonna draw AutoCAD drawings from start to finish, and the first thing that I'm gonna do today is draw what is existing on the land. I've already taken the measurements, so um, let's get to it. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is open AutoCAD Architecture, and we're gonna use Imperial. So if you haven't downloaded the software program for AutoCAD, I suggest you do so at autodesk.com. Autodesk, like a desk that you write on, .com, and you'll be directed to where you can install AutoCAD Architecture. Um, Once you've done that, then I think you will have 30 days for the main one, the main version, and you'll have about 2 years for the student version. Okay, so let's get into it. I'm not gonna be speaking all the time. I'm just gonna um, let the video run. Okay, it's pretty smooth. Let me just turn off all the other stuff so it's very smooth for you. Okay. It's gonna be a 2 hour stream, so hit that like button and hit subscribe if you haven't already. And there's a Patreon link, VIParts, patreon.com/VIParts. Okay, so if you want to donate, you can also. Sorry for the late start. If you were waiting, I was in the workshop all night last night, so got home around 1 also. So, well, got to bed after 1 minutes to 2. Yeah. So the first thing you want to do is start a drawing, and we're not gonna open a sheet set actually because we can just copy it over. So start drawing. Alright, so the first thing we need to do, and don't know if you can hear me. Let me know. Well, mic check. Me too. Oh, you can hear me. Okay, turn that back down. Doesn't get any feedback. Um, uh, get, we got them. Gosh. Okay, so we have the land itself, measurement for the land, and it's okay. So 30 plus 90 plus 25 for one side. So we're gonna do the side plan today. 30. Uh, 74. Alright, so the west side is gonna be 74 feet. So we're gonna go to line, make sure our ortho is on. Gonna do it square. It's a relatively squared piece of land, so we're gonna work with that. Okay, so 74 feet, and coming across, we have check now. We have 142 minus 46, so that's 137.6. Coming across, it's gonna be 137.6. So 137 feet. Oh my gosh. So 74. Sorry guys. Um to the first one to the east is gonna be 74 feet. And coming across is gonna be 137.6 inches. Enter. And then we're just gonna cap it off by going to the original and coming across to be okay. There's about an 8-foot drop, so I'm gonna try and do that in SketchUp. Okay. Alright, so the existing now we have some existing foundations in on the land. So on the corner it is 17.3 offset from the one line. So put the offset and we we specify 17 feet 3 inches in, and on the other side of the foundation is 15 feet 4. So do it again, 15 feet 4 inches. Actually, no. From here, from here. Okay. So, so right here is the corner of our foundation, and then we're gonna build the foundation from that. So the length of the foundation is 27.4 by 54 feet. Okay, so I'm gonna draw a line from the corner, 27.4, 27 feet 4 inches, enter, and we're gonna come across 54 feet. And then okay, so following that, we're going to erase all the other lines that we don't need. So we already have the offsets, okay, for the land. Okay. Mhm. So this is your base site plan that we're going to be working with. Above here, we have existing land with existing houses. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend it um, roughly to scale. So I'm going to do it 148, you know, 148 feet. Come across 70 as here. Okay. This is the acre of land, around about an acre of land that is existing, and I'm going to be utilizing the bottom piece right there. Okay. Right. For the existing, there are 8-inch block walls, and there are 2 sections. So I'm gonna draw in the 2 sections. But first, I need to find the center, which would be 27 from this side. 27 feet was the measurement. About the middle. And the blocks that were used for the foundation, as it should be, is 8 feet, 8-inch block walls, sorry. Okay, 8-inch block walls. Over here you have existing trees and so on. So what I'm gonna do is just insert them. Actually, know where the trees are. You can actually find trees on here. Let's try and see if we can get them. Um, let's look for trees. Should we use? Let's use this one. Um, just put it here. So now to the direction. And so the trees that we're looking for. Hey, landscape. Uh, I'm just going to couple things. Uh, like trees. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna put some trees. Let's just put a tree right here. Doesn't have to be nothing fancy. That's it. That's it. Yes, we have one around here, and then we have one further down, which is right next to it actually. Right there. And then we have one somewhere further in, I think. Just around there. Okay. So those are the trees on the site. The walls, the outer walls. Should be around 600 square house. There is an advance. There's a gate down here. Let's offset the block walls also. It's 8 inches, but let's do the middle one first. Which would be 6 inches. One, okay. This one, that's just the center. And then let's do the eyes. 8 inches. Actually, no. Okay. This one. Okay. Right. So we're gonna offset it 4 inches actually. It's gonna be 8. On this side, on the other side. Get rid of this. Yep. So, so we have the proposed site plan, and we have landscaping. Let's do the existing foundation, where we are doing the existing foundation. So let's just finish up that and then move on to the plan itself. Okay. Uh, so the offset again, 8 inches actually, and these lines are gonna come in here. These are block walls. Okay. Block walls. So we need those to swap with them. So if you want to know the measurement for the inside, this is it right here. I'm gonna put them down here so you can see them. Okay. So it's 26 feet on this side, and 26 feet on this side. So exactly the same. This wasn't me predetermining it. It's the measurement that they went with. Okay. It's 26 by this, and this is just interior. 26 by 26. It's a perfect square. Okay. So this is the existing foundation. Let's cut the our trim, what we don't need right here. So along this corner, so you go to trim, you right click once, and then you can trim anything that you'll see it. You'll see the X come up. Um, Up here we have some existing houses. So it's kind of divided into 3 areas. So let's come down 74. Now let's come down around not 74. Let's come down. Let's come down to maybe 80. 80. Let's come down to 80 feet. Oh, oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, let's come down to 80 feet. Okay. So basically we have a building. Now I'm looking at it. I think it's more than that. Actually. Yeah, it's more. Okay. So it's more than that. is get 74 from here. Go up again. Keep across. Another one up here. Which is 74 feet again. Across. That's this is more reasonable for that. So there's a house right here, an existing house. So, yeah. Oh no. There's a house right here. Um, just maybe here and here. Okay, so there's an existing house there, and then there's an existing house over here. Let's put down existing house probably here, so about this one. And then there's an existing house almost in line right here. It's a little bit longer. Comes down to here. So these are the existing building. I'm gonna put in existing. Um, so existing, then build existing building. I can now change our text size. Okay, that's all we need from there. So, okay. Alright, so we have that. Looks like. Okay, so I don't know what it looks like. Is it live or not? So, okay, there we go. Okay, yes, Alright guys, I have to change the dimension size for this, so I'm gonna go to properties and I'm gonna change the scale to see if this works. Let's change it to 20. See what happens. So that didn't work. Is the annotated scale is this way here. Change it to whatever you want. So, okay, so let's change the annotation scale of the current view. So this is 1 right here. I'm gonna change it to 1/2. No, 1/2 will make it worse. So 1/16, and then we're just gonna calibrate it according to what we want. Okay, that's too big. And let's go 1/32. So this is 1/32. I don't know why when you click on it, it goes like that. Shouldn't do that. That is not cool. Okay, existing, is that right? Existing building right here. And we're gonna copy this over, go home, and then go to copy. Okay, we can just drag it out, drag it across. Go to that. Existing building in the existing land, and then there's an existing building right here also. So we'll do the same thing, copy, click on your point to move it, put it in here. There's a little building right here. It's not to put that. It's actually in between these two buildings. Not a very big building. So. And then there's a building down here. This piece of land. It's actually not that big of a building. About the size of one. It's not that big. It's about that right there. Okay. There's no more trees. There's a tree right here, but it's not significant to what we're trying to do here. Okay. Alright, so let's get the. Oh, well, this is too big. That is so big. 9375. Let's go to. Oh my wonder if these supposed to be X measurements. Oh, there they are. Let's just scale and leave as is. Oh, but these are so big now. Um, let's reduce them. Okay, so existing foundation is what we call existing foundations. The existing building. And let me tell you guys what the plan is to have 6 units in this area right here. 6 units, and we're gonna use the existing foundation and build upon it. So I will. I'm just going to the I wish I had some coffee right now. I'm just going through everything that I need to see in order to have the designing process in place. Okay. Um, there's actually no fence here. It's kind of open right here, so it is what it is. So that 26, 26. I'm gonna make some layers, and they're gonna be, well, this one. These I can change to. These are dimensions. So let's go to layers and annotations. Okay. Oh, so that's that one. Those are the trees. So if I turn this one off, I can't turn it off. Okay, so that's the original. So all I have to do is create a new layer, and to do that, you go to what is this? Layer properties. Yeah. Go to layer properties. It will bring up a, where are you? It will bring up this thing, and the current layer that we have on right now is 0, 0. So what you want to do for every layer, go to new layer, and I'm gonna put dimensions, and I totally messed that up. Dimensions and site dimensions. Dimensions. And I'm gonna create another one called existing foundation dimensions. Okay. I'm gonna color code them. Site dimensions, I want them to be yellow, and existing foundation and existing foundation dimensions. I want them to be the same yellow. Now, when you go to here, you click on one of these, gonna assign them to a certain layer. So over here now, existing foundation dimension, and you see how it turned yellow. That's how you get it to change. Okay. Um, Existing foundation now, that is gonna be in cyan. So again, you go back to the properties, and then you find existing foundation. Find existing foundation. Sorry guys, I just woke up. Right, so the annotations are gonna be, well, text. Let's put text in a separate layer. So we're gonna do foundation text, site text. So we're gonna just create layer after layer, and it makes everything easier to work with. Okay? Ooh, there's a nice boat, fishing boat passing us. So beautiful. Right, so let's create a new layer. I'm gonna call that foundation text. Then I'm gonna create another one called site text. So everything that we do, I'm gonna put them in layers, okay? Um, do we have an existing foundation? Foundation text, dimension, text. We don't have an existing foundation. Another existing. And I'm gonna put that as cyan. Okay. How should I put it up? No, I'm gonna put it as purple. Yeah, as purple. And what I can do now is turn off my existing foundation dimensions, or I can lock it. Can I lock it? Freeze it and freeze it. Just freezing it. Freeze it off. Locking it. Oh, turns it off. Okay. So you have it here. So now I think I can, uh, gonna choose everything. So really, oh, there it is. So I can't delete anything. Oh, alright, so let's see what I have to do. So for existing foundation dimension, unlock it, but turn the layer off. Oh, just, I think I can freeze it though. Okay, so we've chosen that. We're gonna apply it to um, existing foundation, which is this one. text. Let's put them in. There's no site. Okay. Okay, so boundaries. Let's go for boundaries. Create a new layer. So right now we're doing some layers. We're creating a new boundary. Okay. Set there's a gate down here. There's a gate up here. Yeah. There's a piece of ground down here. And trees and so on. I'm not worried about that. Okay. So let's turn that on. Turn down. Oh, existing layer. Within the text. Alright, so the plan is to 26 feet 8 is to add another center over here. This is the plan to add another center over here. 26. So it's gonna be 26 feet 8 inches, and let's tighten. Right, did you do that? Right, did you do that? That's some foundation tags. I'll put this inside. Change that to, of course, this one. So the aim is to add, using the existing foundation, I'm going to add an area over here in order to accommodate the third building or third section. Okay. Um, so it's going to be a two-story building. Still in foundation text. I will just copy this, create a new application. so I think I'm gonna leave it at that for today. Um, Let me just make sure that all the boundaries, the side boundaries, where are the side boundaries now? Side boundaries, which is within by right. Don't point. Oh, okay, okay. Trying to back to zero. I always go back to zero if I'm not sure. To the after. So all of this should be side boundaries. This is basically the fencing for the land. Um, yeah, so what we're gonna do now is put this in boundaries. Where is it? Side boundaries. And I think I'm gonna change this to existing side boundary. And just leave it as is. As is. As is. Okay, so let's just move this across. So it's centered, about center, across, about center. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to ask. Um, if you just joined and you're wondering what I'm doing, just ask the question in the live chat. Okay. Let's see. Yeah. Again, subscribe to the channel. I appreciate everyone who has viewed the videos, and hopefully you have gained some type of educational advantage as you go through these videos. Okay, so um, again, thanks for watching, and share it. Continue to share everything that you have. Share it with whoever you have, your friends or family or whatever, so that they can learn. Because I think learning should be free for everyone. Okay. Right. So we have the existing foundation. This is the proposed foundation right here. We have a slope that we are going to be utilizing. So yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna close it off here. Not sure how long the video is, but thanks for watching, and I will see you. Okay, so let me go through everything I did. So basically, I'm building a six space commercial building, and it's gonna be 6 apartments, 3 at the bottom, 3 at the top. This is the plot of land right here that is gonna be utilized right here in the rectangle, and this is 74 feet by 137, I think 137 feet 6 inches or something like that. Okay, so um, over here you have a couple trees, couple mango trees, so they're quite wide. Um, so here you have the existing foundation. You have two sections of 26 feet that are already there. The foundation is there with the infill, okay, the sand fill, and the walls are 8 inches. So it's 26 by 26 inches. I'm contemplating extending the back here, but we will see in the design video that I do next time. Okay, so basically what I was doing is showing you how the site is built up and what we're going to be doing on the site. This is a proposed foundation. It's the same size as these. I wanted to keep it efficient, so the foundation will be the same. Okay, the additional foundation will be the same. And then next, in the next video, I'm going to show you how to design the space that you've been given, what factors you have to take into consideration, such as lighting, such as airflow, um, weather conditions, and all of that. Okay, so and also the flow of traffic. These are mostly for it's they're gonna be one bedroom section apartments. So um, these are mostly for like if you're living with a partner or if you're living alone. This would be perfect for you. So let's say you have visitors coming in. The traffic needs to be in a certain way so that the private and the public spaces are not accessible to anyone. Okay, well, the private spaces, the public spaces should be accessible to the visitors only and the person who is living there, but the private space should be just for the person who is living there. Okay, all right, so that's basically it. Above here, these are existing houses that are on the same acre of land. So this is just the last area of addition that I'm gonna be doing. The spaces here and here, but those can be for later on, development later on. I have a shop right here. Um, I'm trying to extend it, but yeah, this is my wood shop right here. It's not that big, so my plan is to make it bigger after I've completed the commercial project down here. I'm gonna extend this and make a probably a bigger shop right here. There are a couple of trees here, like fruit trees and so on. The dogs are in this area right here, so they keep guard of everything that's going on. So, and then we have um, living spaces above here. Okay. Alright. Alright. So again, thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you um, lasted throughout the whole video. Um, if you have any questions, just let me know, and I'll be doing the second series. If not tomorrow, the day after. I'm gonna try and do it every morning. So get me a cup of coffee and just relax. I'm not gonna do it like a presentation. It's gonna be more relaxed, where I just speak my mind and tell you what I'm doing as I go along. Okay, and the videos are not gonna be any longer than maybe an hour and a half or 2 hours or so. 2 hours would be the max. Okay, I don't want to keep it too long. Alright, so again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Okay.